Hey guys, welcome back to Blue Collar Crypto. We're going to do another daily Archangel token update. We're going to take a look at the price, holder count, staking rewards, reflections, see if we got any updates, anything like that. So let's start with the price. So in the last 24 hours, Archangel's down 7.7%. Total price, 903202. Volume is 35,348. Take a quick look at some of these wallets. Well, if we look at the chart real quick, we're still above this support level. Support of 3083. It's pretty much the lowest point since the new contract came out in the beginning of December. Let's just take a look at some of these wallets. How about this one right here? So they only have a handful of things in their wallet. Let's see, Archangel, they have 218 billion Archangel. They just purchased it. They're a new wallet holder, so that's awesome. Welcome. They just purchased it 51 minutes ago. 218 billion Archangel for $76.58 is what they spent. They also spent $102 on gas fees, so they must be a believer, huh? I mean, you got to double. You got to increase 150% to at least pay for your gas. That's the crappy thing about Ethereum gas right now. Anyway, let's see what else. That's a new wallet holder, it looks like. There's one that was this morning. See if they're a new wallet holder. 14 hours ago. Seems right. $215. They purchased 591 billion Archangel. See what else they have in their wallet. See if that's it. Archangel 591 billion. They're a new wallet holder too. They have $2,300 worth of Saitama, Shiro Inu, JC, and Archangel. And welcome to the club. That's cool. So what is our wallet holder count? Let's take a look. Let's go to Etherscan wallet 4669. I think it went up a little bit. Yeah, it went up by 3. Total market cap today is 17 million. The fully diluted market cap is 33 million. Volume on the day 35,000, which is seems a little bit lower than normal. Yesterday was only 8,000, so that's a lot higher than yesterday. But seems like it's just. Maybe the average is 40 or 50,000 a day. So the amount of tokens that were sent to the Burn wallet in the last 24 hours, 1,723 billion, which seems like, oh, hold on, we have the over here. Sorry, my head's probably in the way. Let's scroll this one up a little bit like that. Boom. 7-day average burn. 2,786 billion, so we're slightly below average. But yesterday, man, we barely didn't even have half a trillion burn. Low volume day. Okay, so let's take a quick look at. Oh, you know what we need to look at first? Hold on, let's go to the staking pool. So the total amount earned on the staking pool so far is 409 million. We have staked 500 billion. Half a trillion, 500 billion, and we've already earned in 4 days 409 million tokens. So let's compare that to the reflections. So on this spreadsheet we have, so the daily reflections were let's say 17 million, and the daily rewards in the staking pool were 96 million. That's a lot more. Okay, so the total amount of reflections 1,141 million, and the total amount of staking rewards is 409 million so far, like we just saw on the website. So we've been tracking this wallet for 31 days, and the staking pool's only been open for 4 days, and we're 40% of the way. having more in rewards than we do reflections. So that's pretty cool. So the total amount of reflections and rewards is 1,550,000,000, and that is 0.15% of the initial amount of tokens purchased, which was just over 1 trillion. What was it? 1,160,000,000 and 10. All right. So that's the, oh, you know what? We already did that. All right. A quick market update, general market conditions. What do we have right now? Man, I can't even read that volume. That's such a big number. Either way, market cap for the entire crypto is 1,666,040,000,000. Dominance for Bitcoin is exactly 42%, and the dominance of crypto for Ethereum is 17.2%. Right now, ETH gas fees are 166 GUI, which is, I don't know, relatively high, right? I don't know what that means. I think it ends up being like 150 to 250 bucks to do a swap. I'm not 100% sure. If you ever see it around 80 or 100, that's pretty low. Anyway, Bitcoin right now, it's up 2.75% on the day. It's down 6.9% on the week. Bitcoin's $37,100. All right, that's cool. Looks like it's staying level, climbing up a little bit. That's positive after the hemorrhaging that we had last week, right? It was brutal. Ethereum right now is at 2,400. It's about even on the day. It's down 17% on the week. If you scroll down, looks like a lot of green. Terra Luna, though, is down 5% on the day, 31% down on the week. Dogecoin's at 14 cents. It's about even on the day. SHIB is up 3% on the day. It's down 19% on the week. Dogecoin's 4021. See what else we got here. Looks like, man, Cosmos is down. Blah, blah, blah. Look, man, our Algorand's up 4.5 on the day, down 18 on the week. Everything's still down on the week. Most everything looks like is up on the day, so that's positive, you know? Who knows, man? The market's nuts. So on their Telegram, I was scrolling through. Somebody asked, hello, everyone. So please, why exactly is this a good token, a good investment? And there were some decent responses. Here's one from Crispy. He says, hello. Well, for one, it's going to be the first of its kind in terms of the ecosystem we're building. We have a copyright on our distribution of value ecosystem. So what our distribution of value entails is by staking ARCA, you get reflections for every token in our ecosystem. In addition to that, you get invited to pre-sales of all the ecosystem tokens, both internal and external projects. We have one external project going on right now. It's called Scratch, and multiple internal projects coming out Q1, which is Guardian, which is the pre-sales in February, Brainstem, Spider, etc. He also says, we build solutions. I like this one a lot. I like this answer. We build solutions to the biggest problems faced in crypto. It's an ongoing ecosystem, and if there's a problem, there's a project that can find a solution. I like that. That makes sense. And then there's this. I like this picture right here. This is a really good breakdown of this is Guardian and what Guardian's working on. So Q1, Market Watch. It's a component, not a token, right? Token data component, Brainstem. That's going to involve videos. It's going to be like where people who want to watch crypto videos, instead of going to YouTube, they're going to go here to Brainstem. And I hope it pans out well, because YouTube is a big, huge, giant company, and there's billions of people who go through, well, hundreds of millions of people who go to YouTube every day, right? So hopefully this can compete. But they have their own token. Also here, marketers and influencers. That's another component of Guardian. Scratch token, which is an external project. That's going to be inside of Guardian as well. Risk analysis. Okay, we're on Q2 now. I'm sorry. Risk analysis. That's a component. Herald, which is a component. Herald is, well, look, I'm going to try to find where they talk about that. Then on Q3, they have Genelok, Spider, which is a token, and Q4, DeFi, token strength. And after that, the next epic they're working on is security and DeFi. So, man, that's a lot of stuff, a lot of work, a lot of projects. All right, this is from Joe. This is a screenshot from Guardian that they're working on. Obviously, it's all not filled in, but oops. Say it's like CoinMarketCap or CoinGecko. You go on there, you could research projects, and you have links to Herald, Brainstem, influencers, token strength, all the token information you want right there, okay, when it comes out. So this is from Joe. You want to have a project-managed token data page that projects can update within 24 hours on their own? How about direct links to marketers who cover them? How about links to Brainstem for all of their project-created videos? Add a place where project admins can post announcements and updates and reach 100% of the community without any need to access social media accounts to stay current on their project news. That's what Herald is, and that's going to be inside of Guardian. You going to get that on CoinGecko or CoinMarketCap? Question? No, you won't. How about, well, you will on Guardian. So that's pretty cool right there. I'm bullish, right? I'm bullish on this project right here. And that's part of Archangel. It should be starting to release Q1 of this year, man. So honestly, in 2 months or less, the pre-sale for Guardian tokens is going to be, the pre-sale registration is February 4th. You got to go on their website to figure that out, or you got to go on their Telegram, honestly. You go to Archangel Telegram channel, or you can go to Guardian's Telegram as well. One last thing for Archangel. They're almost completed their stage 2. The only thing left is they have to officially be above 3,000 Telegram members, and they're pretty close to that right now. Somebody hit it with a bot attack. I don't know what happened. They ended up having 3,600 members, but there was about 600 bots. Right before that, there was 2,987 members. That was like 2 days ago. So they're almost at 3,000 Telegram members. So they got all those fake bots out of there. They, honestly, we just want real people and the real investors. So that's stage 2 of their roadmap, man. All that's done. That's a lot of stuff. Wow. Stage 3, they have a lot of things already checked off on stage 3. Release Jophiel BNB cross-chain. That's already done. I didn't realize that was done. That's cool. Commence work on feature 3, which is join swaps aerial release. That's done. I don't know what that even is, but man, there's definitely a lot of information on here. A lot of information on here. That's it for the Archangel token update for the day. Appreciate you guys tuning in. If you could give me a thumbs up or maybe subscribe, that would be great. Just trying to spread the word on Archangel token and its ecosystem. It looks like an amazing project to me. Do your own research. I'm not your financial advisor. Spend your own money where you want. If you want to go to the casino and put it all on black or red, that's cool too. But you got to watch out for the green, man. That's what happens, You could say, hey, I'm going to put it all on black. Well, it's not 50-50 because there's 2 slots on that roulette table that are green. Just a heads up, Either way, you do what you want with your money. I'm just trying to show you what this project's all about. And appreciate you guys tuning in, honestly, a lot. Thank you very much, and I'll see you guys next time, all right? What do they say? Highly volatile. What do they say? The volatility, I don't know what the word is, ranking or rate. It's like 70%. I don't even know what that means. That's from people who trade bonds. I don't even know bonds either, man. I know some stocks and stuff, but anyway, crypto's crazy and it's definitely volatile. Hey, it all depends on your time horizon, If you're gonna get in on some seriously legit crap coin that you never heard of, hoping that you can make a crap load of money in like a month, and then the price drops, well, you're probably going to sell because you don't know anything about the project or you don't even care about it. But if you invest your money in something that you've actually did a bunch of research on and you're like, that's pretty cool, man. What they're doing is solid. They got a solid dev team, yada, 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 legit project. Man, it drops 50% or whatever, man, no worries. It's all up to you, it's your choice, but it's a lot easier to hang on to a token that you believe is actually, well, it's a lot easier to hang on to a token if the whole market collapses, you know, if they're putting out a good product or a good project, or they're really working hard, or they're, you know, they have a niche, you know, they have a niche in crypto that no one else is doing, and they're about to pump out a product, you know, I mean, that's a lot better for me than just saying, oh man, here's a new token, brand new token, and everybody's talking about it, but it doesn't do anything, or it's going to do NFT creation, or it's going to do a token swap, like all these other things that keep talking about the same stuff, you know, it's all garbage. Well, let me walk that back. They're not all garbage, that's for sure, but a lot of them are a bunch of no-name, you know what I mean. If you've been here more than 6 months, you kind of have an idea about what's going on. If you've been here more than 3 months, you've probably been rugged, and you've probably thrown money into projects that just disappeared, right? So anyway, what I'm saying is, hey, the market goes down, the whole market goes down a lot. You know, I don't want to say, hey, no worries, but it's all about your time horizon. If you invest money into a project that is a legit, awesome project, and you did your research, well, you're not going to stress out as much. If your time horizon is 3 to 5 years, or 1 to 5 years, or whatever, no worries, man. If it goes down, yeah, it's a worry, but it's not like, oh man, I need to make my rent by the 1st. Man, I got 3 weeks. I need to make $1,000. I need to double my $1,000 and make 2. You're going to lose your ass. I'm sorry. You know, like, don't do that. That's a bad thing. Don't invest that way. You should just go gamble, right? If that's what you're going to do. Anyway, and the other thing, they're going to come out with crypto regulations. Really? But I can go to the casino and drop all my money and lose it all? But I can't go buy crypto unless I get approval from the government? Thanks. Yeah, that makes sense, right? Anyway, that's the daily market update.